Welcome to Car Vibes, where we bring you the latest in the automotive world. Today we take a deep dive into BMW's latest masterpiece, the M9i car, that redefines performance, luxury and technology in a way only BMW can. Let's start with the design. The M9 is a bold step forward, blending BMW's classic aggressive styling with a futuristic touch. The sharp aerodynamic lines, sculpted hood, and signature kidney grille, now reimagined with an illuminated effect, give the M9 a striking road presence. The sleek laser headlights and a wide, low stance ensure that this car not only looks fast, but feels like a beast waiting to be unleashed. The rear is just as stunning, with slim OLED taillights and a quad exhaust setup that hints at the monstrous power under the hood. Speaking of power, the heart of the BMW M9 is a newly developed 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering an astonishing 750 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This powertrain is mated to an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and lightning-fast acceleration. The M9 rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest BMWs ever built. For purists, there's also a rear-wheel drive mode, allowing for an exhilarating driving experience with precise control. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that perfectly balances sportiness with luxury. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused cockpit make the cabin feel like a true performance machine. The new curved dual-display setup integrates BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, AI-assisted controls, and even augmented reality navigation. The seats are electronically adjustable M Sport buckets with heating, cooling, and even a massage function, because who says a supercar can't be comfortable? Technology plays a huge role in the M9 with features like adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and an advanced launch control system to ensure peak performance in every driving condition. The car also boasts semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making it a practical daily driver when needed. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera with BMW's latest AI-driven parking assistant. The 2025 BMW M9 isn't just about performance, it's about making a statement. Whether you're on the track or cruising through the city, this car demands attention. BMW has once again raised the bar, proving that the M division is still at the top of the game. That's it for today's deep dive into the all-new BMW M9. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast. Would you take it over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car content. This is Car Vibes, and we'll see you in the next video.